We will be there to lift each other up. We'll show the world what it's like to be part of the Florida State family. We all love Florida State University, and we love each other.
We are one family, one community. In this time of sorrow, we stand side by side to remind one another that we're not alone.
Your FSU community is here for you, now and always. We are Florida State, and that means we are never alone. We are a family, and together we will overcome.
We will never forget what happened. We will never forget the people that we lost. But we will honor them, not by mourning, but by continuing to be strong